are here at Bretto's house. This is how we shift our gear around. Bretto doesn't like to lift anything. It's all done with a forklift. Smart man. Alrighty, it's the day after race day and wash day here at Bretto's house. Bretto in the Q99 car, you might remember when I got to have a drive of his shed, but some of you guys may or may not know that Bri and I, we're currently building a house at the moment, so we've had to move into a little rental apartment. So yeah, we've lost our shed space. So Bretto was kind enough to, it was either sit out the race season or Bretto said, no, look, we'll house you at our shed for a while. And so yeah, big thanks to Bretto and Katie for letting us use their facility just until we build our new home, which should be sort of early next year. So, which that'll be exciting too. We can show you a few behind the scenes sort of things with that. You know, we're getting a big shed built. Should be a good little size, a nice 14 long by 10 wide shed. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. But yeah, so we wash day after last night at Archerfield, which was a really good night. We run home second in the feature race, and yeah, we showed some really good pace. Battled for the lead for a couple of laps with Bruce Marshall. So look, to be doing that, we're check this out, would you? It's all, there's nothing manual labour about it around here.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder. That's it. How you going, Bretto? Yeah, I missed the part where we shifted all the trailers around. We don't use our utes to shift around. He uses the forklift. So, like I said, big thanks to Brett and Katie for letting us use their house, use their water. I'm sure he'll pay me back with a tap to the left rear at some point. But yeah, let's get at it. We've got to get the car prepped and ready for Gympie, which is in 2 weekends' time. So shouldn't be too much. We'll just give it a quick wash, just double check everything, make sure nothing's gone adrift last night. But it was pretty clean racing last night. Yeah, it was close but clean. It was good. So let's get stuck into it. All right, couple of hours in. Bretto's done. We're just hosing off now. Panels are stripped off. I reckon that's about us. Run the petrol through it. Give the trailer a clean out. And we're done, I reckon. Oh, you're a good boy, Joshua. While we're at it, we thought we'd give the trailer a once-over. It's all nice and clean now. Oh, what a day. Still got to wash some of Bretto's panels. But we are pretty well done. Now just do some tyre prep sometime between now and going to Gympie. So that's us. Pretty much done and dusted. I think it's about 2:30. Probably got another hour here by the time we wash the ram, finish off the trailer, pack up and go home. That's our Sunday after a race day. So, rock and roll. All right.